welcome back to my channel. My name is Cyra Linaire, whatever you want to say, and today I'm going to be installing this 24-inch body wave wig from Beautiful Princess Hair, and shout out to them for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are interested in purchasing, all their information, social medias, and website will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you guys check them out. When Beautiful Princess Hair sent me this, they gave me lashes, wig caps, and also their information card, and that is what the hair looks like fresh out of the pack. Now this hair is so soft, y'all, but I was kind of skeptical of them at first because of the lace. At first I wanted transparent lace, but they ended up sending me brown lace, but it was just as good. I'm kind of glad that they sent me the brown one. It blended and melted way better than I thought. I'm going to be taking my LA Girl powder in shade Chestnut to match the cap color to my skin tone. Now right here you can see me trying to decipher how I'm going to put on this wig. It is a bit too small for my head, so if you do have a big head, this wig might be kind of too small for you, so you might have to finesse it a little bit just like I did. I had to push back my wig cap and pull the wig up more, but it did end up working. It does fit really nice, and the lace is stretchy, so it did end up working. So now what you want to do is take just a bit of alcohol or witch hazel and clean off the area where you're going to be gluing down or spraying down your wig, just to ensure that there's no makeup or sweat in the area, just so it won't affect your wig. So now cut your wig into sections. If you are used to installing your wigs, you won't have to do this, but for beginners I would recommend doing this. Now take your spray or even your glue and put it in the area where you want to start. Now after doing this, I put on 2 layers and kind of use the rat tail comb to spread out the product, and then I use my blow dryer to dry it down until the product is tacky.
Keep it together. Things are about to get ugly. Things are about to get ugly.
Now for this next portion, we're going to be cutting our lace, and make sure you do not cut your lace just straight. At first I did start to do it straight, but then I remembered you need to go kind of zigzaggy so it could match a natural hairline. So we're going to do this for all 3 sections, but also we're going to remember that you have to cut the lace around your ear. So I'm going to pull back the hair right now and then cut a small section for the ear.
Keep it together. Things are about to get ugly. Keep it together. Things are about to get ugly.
Alright, so we are in the last few steps of installing this unit. I'm going to be adding a couple layers of mousse, then blow drying, then adding a few more layers of mousse, and then blow drying again, just because this is a curly unit, so I really don't like the area around my part to be too flat. I like it to have some volume, or even just some type of body at the top, unless it is a straight unit. I really want to thank and shout out to Beautiful Princess Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you have made it to end, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload another video. And if you guys want to see something on my channel, go ahead and comment down below.